Actually, I am presenting about connecting two big projects. Those have a big impact in our future. So everybody already know about OSM, right? I am not elaborating to OSM because I have a very limited time and I want to present a very big idea that takes 2 or 3 hours to just to introduce. So I am only giving you a bird's eye view of the projects and the idea. If you are interested, then you can search on internet and you can find a lot of resources and or lot of other documentations and the stuff, and lot of people are available here. If you are interested, then we can demonstrate this thing in tomorrow's workshop itself. Okay. So I am starting with the famous quote of Jimmy Wales. Imagine a world in which every single person on the planet is given free access to the sum of all human knowledge, and that is what we are doing. Okay, like we are giving the whole knowledge to the whole humans. We are trying to break all the restrictions about the knowledge. So knowledge must be available to all person in the world. Then only we can have a better life in future. Okay. So we are all talking about data. Today, from the morning to the evening, we are talking about data, various kinds of maps, various kinds of all the stuff, right? So I am simply classifying the data in a two kind. One is unstructured data and the second is structured data. Unstructured data, I don't know how we can call unstructured data nowadays because artificial intelligence is booming and it is getting the capability of reading unstructured data in a very messy way. Okay, so but still for humans, it is unstructured data is like storyboard images, your scribblings on a notepad, all the stuffs are unstructured data. Okay, so structured data is a kind of thing that we can go operate on. Yeah, on some presentations, people are mentioning that you can download some PDFs which contain some kind of data, but it is not useful and a lot of work needed to read that thing and process that thing. Okay, if you get the data in a structured way, then it is very easy for you and your computer to process it. So structured data has more value than unstructured data. So there comes, and also one thing, linked data, the third thing. If a data has a property and it has a connection to another data, if you get the data in that linked form, then you can understand the data in a better way. You can interpret the data in a better way. If you got a lot of linked data, then that data has a better value and better meaning. And it is much more easy to process and get the output from that thing. So there comes our project. Okay, go next. Okay, next. That is called Wikidata. Okay, Wikidata is a project started by the Wikimedia Foundation, and Wikimedia Deutschland is currently maintaining that project. Next, go. Okay, what is Wikidata? Wikidata is an editable, structured and linked data warehouse available with a free license. Free license means that is CC0, or you can say it in a public domain. You can do whatever you want with that data. No credits or no restrictions are there. And the beauty of that thing is you can edit that data and it is a structured linked data. So you can download the whole data and you can process the data and you can do whatever you want with that data. So that is the beauty of this project. Okay? It's a pure free software, pure free data. Open and editable by anyone, and it's multilingual. Currently it is supported by 300 plus languages. So you can read your data in your own language. Okay? Okay, next. Okay, I am trying to explain how the structured data is stored in Wikidata. It is like subject and predicate and object, or item property value. Okay, it's like a tagging system. If you have a subject, then it has some property and it has some value. Then that value is going to be another item or subject, and it has some other value, other property and other value, and it goes on. Okay. Okay. In Wikidata, we are saying that item is a queue, or item has a unique ID called QID or Q number, and property is a P number, and that's it. Okay, so a Q number has a property with the P number, and it is connected to another Q number. Okay, initially you look a little bit complicated, but if you go through it, you will be familiarized with it and you can have a better understanding about that thing. Okay, so Q1 is called the universe, Q668 is India, Q163798 is Thrissur, and P31 is called the property. All these item has a property called P31, and it has another Q value. Okay, and it goes on. Okay. So it looks like this. Earth is Q2. It has a property. Instance of is a property, and inner planet is another Q value. Okay. Now I think it is pretty simple, right? You can find all these kinds of items, properties, and its values from your daily life. Okay, and everybody is there in Wikidata. So the original motive of Wikidata is to create a universal database of everything. Like, I mean everything. So go next. Okay, go next. So Wikidata is mainly handling numbers. Why the numbers? Because it is language neutral, numbers are neutral. Then, yeah, not everybody speaks English. So, and it is very easy to process all these numbers for computers. Okay, go. So everything, universe, pencil, happy birthday to you, that is a song. Then global warming, all the stuff. Okay, go next. So OpenStreetMap, you all know that. Go next. Node is a simple point, and ways are lines and polygons, and relations are multiple points. Okay, if you are mapping in OpenStreetMap, then you already know this. Okay, go next. So it has also a lot of tags there. Okay, tags is also the same thing, item and value, item and value. Okay, go next. Then it has a ID also. The node has a unique ID. So we are trying to connect these two giant projects. Okay, go next. So by using this Wikidata tag in OSM, so we are putting that Wikidata QID in OSM. Then you click on that QID, it will take you to the Wikidata item. There you have a lot of things. Okay, why we connect? We get a lot of language labels from Wikidata. We can get Wikipedia articles. We can get a lot of photos from Commons. We can get connections from all other databases in the world. Okay. So like this, you can get a lot of photos from Wikimedia Commons. Then go next. You can get a lot of language labels from Wikidata. You can import all these things to OSM, right? Then these are the catalogs, other catalogs around the world, which has an information about Kerala Sahitya Academy. Okay. So adding these Wikidata links to OSM nodes is a tedious process. So Edward Bretz, he created a software to automate this process. That's called osm.wikidata.link. You can log into this website by using your OSM username and password and Wikidata username and password, and you can go match, and you will get an interface like this, and you can match and you can update the whole queue IDs into OSM. So you can have access to all the data in the Wikidata from OSM. Okay, that's the beauty of this project. Okay, go next. Okay, so, and in Wikidata also, you have a lot of OSM tags called OpenStreetMap tag or key. Go next. And OpenStreetMap zoom level, historic map relation ID, OpenStreetMap mapway ID, etc., etc. So you can map to other side also. Okay. So that's it. This is a brief bird view about both the projects. If you can connect these things and you can run your own software upon all these projects, then you will have amazing results. Okay, these are the projects, Wiki Project India and Wiki Project Kerala we are currently running by Wikimedians of Kerala user group. And in OSM, we have OpenStreetMap India and OpenStreetMap Kerala. People are working under these projects. If you can combine all these two task forces together, we can have fantastic results.